everyone, happy almost Valentine's Day. My name is Miss Jackie, and today we will be creating these extra special Valentine's Day cards. I love this holiday because it's a great way to show your care and love for your friends, family, or neighborhood. So let's get started. You'll need a piece of paper, which can be printer paper or construction paper, a pencil, and any optional drawing supplies like markers or colored pencils. For your first step, you'll need a square sheet of paper. If you have a typical rectangular sheet of paper or a light-colored piece of construction paper, here's how we can quickly turn your paper into a square. Fold one bottom corner of your paper edge over to the other side and run your finger along the folded line. This is called a crease. It's important to always run your finger along the lines you fold so that they fit nice and flat. Now you can either cut with scissors along the rectangular piece on the side, or if you don't have scissors, fold the rectangular piece back and forth about 3 or 4 times. You can flip the paper and run your finger along the crease as you fold it back and forth. With your other hand, hold one side of your paper and lightly rip the top of that rectangular edge and slowly rip down the side of your paper. You should now have a square sheet of paper. Take the bottom edge of your paper and fold it to the top, running your finger along the crease. Open your paper back up and turn it the tall way. Your folded line should go from the bottom to the top. Take your bottom corner and fold it into that middle line. Repeat the same step on the other bottom corner. Take your point at the bottom and fold it into that center line. Flip your paper on its side and take the top and bottom edges, folding them into the middle line. Turn your paper so that the triangle is facing the top. Fold the bottom of your paper up until it almost touches the top of your paper, leaving a little bit of room or space. Unfold the fold you just made and turn your paper on its side so that the triangle piece is on the left side. With the hand you're not folding with, hold one finger on the line you just folded in the middle. Take the bottom edge and fold it into a small triangle. The triangle should stop where your finger is placed on that middle line. Repeat this on the other side, trying to make both sides as similar as possible. Open up the triangle flap on the bottom. You should have 2 flaps of paper where your triangle shape was. You'll want to stick your finger inside each flap at a time and push up, using your other finger to hold the rest of the paper in place. While you push up the triangle piece, you can also push it up against the side of your finger. At the end, both sides should look like small pockets. Take the bottom edges of your pockets and push them forward with your other fingers, holding down the rest of the paper, and this should create a rectangular shape at the bottom. Turn your paper so that the rectangular shape you just folded is facing the top. Take the bottom edge of your paper and fold it up until it fits inside of the top paper. You can also push it in with your fingers. Now that the folding is finished, we're going to flip our paper so that the blank, non-folded side is facing you. You can now use your pencil and any drawing supplies you have to decorate your card. I'm making a card for my friend. Consider making cards for people you might be missing or anyone special in your neighborhood who could use a smile or a surprise. Here are a few of my own examples using different types of paper and designs. As your last step, you can practice opening and closing your card by pulling open the paper flap folded inside. You can also add anything you want in the middle. This can be a mini drawing, a handwritten letter, or anything small and flat that can fit inside. You now have a finished Valentine's Day mini card. Thank you for creating these amazing Valentine's cards with me. I hope you're able to share them with someone special in your life, and have a very happy Valentine's Day.